hello.
Hello, but alright, no problem. But anglais m'a trop long, man. Et puis,
It's okay.
je parle anglais avant, man. Mais c'est le qui est bon.
What is your nationality? Where are you born?
Where I'm born?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You are
Haiti.
not from America. Where are you from? What is your nationality?
No, I'm born in Haiti, man.
You born with?
Pas commencer à trembler là, non? Il est en place.
Nego bal ba non mais bio la gide la gya la. Mba boton e boule, mba fait tout à parler anglais avant. Mba bot tout modèle anglais genet. Yeah, let's go. What's up? Yeah, man.
I think you are from Haiti, yeah?
Yeah, I'm from Haiti, yeah. That's where I'm from.
Ah, you look like Haitian person, you know?
Yeah, I'm Asian people. Yeah, but I see you like you look like Indian people, man. You don't look like you from Georgia.
Okay, you know the country Georgia?
Georgia, yeah. I've been to Georgia.
Where is Georgia? Tell me if you know.
You talking about Georgia? Atlanta, Georgia?
Yes.
Georgia?
I'm not talking about Georgia state, you know? I'm
not
talking
Georgia
about the
state.
Georgia country Georgia, you don't know
I've been to
state.
Georgia, man. Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, this is country Georgia in Europe, you know?
Europe. Yeah, boy, I never been there, man. I've been to Europe, so I've been to Italy, Germany,
Yeah, what language you speak? Only English?
like that. Yeah. What?
What language you can speak? Only English?
Only Creole I speak. I don't speak English, man. I speak Creole, but I'm trying.
I
Yeah,
speak 7 language, you know?
yeah. And I speak jargon.
Yes.
You know jargon? You know jargon? Baga. You know I
What is
speak
your religion?
what?
What is your religion?
Oh, Asian.
No, I say what is your religion? Are you
Oh, my
Christian?
religion.
Muslim?
Religion. Oh man, I just believe in God. I believe in God.
God?
I believe in God and vaudouisant.
Who is your God? Allah or God?
Et puis c'est vaudouisant tout, vaudouisant man. Ah yeah, vaudou man. On comprend loi man.
I think you are Haitian superstar, right?
Yeah, yes. Yes. I'm
You're a
trying.
very good and famous person in Haiti. I think you are a singer, yeah?
Yes, I am.
Bro.
So you need to
Can you sing something?
what?
Can you sing something?
Oh, can I sing something? Wow.
For example,
Yeah, for example, you know what you need to do when you finish talking? So go check on the mask about Garcia Delva. You know my name, right?
just try something if you can. I have silent mode, you know. I'm listening you.
Oh, okay. Oh, sing something. Wow.
Tell me something, boy. I don't hear you. I can't hear you, dude.
What? Bata dim. Bata dim bien.
I can't hear you.
But for the twice or you do ever.
No,
For
I
the twice
can't
or
hear
you do ever.
you.
Yeah, for the twice or you man. For the twice or you man.
Okay, I follow you, dude, and we can play
Dans sa
another
miel là,
time.
m'pas ka fait back, non
You are
garçon.
very good
Yes, man.
person. You are very handsome, dude.
Yeah, relax man. Take care.